only two teams left in the battle for Europe's Premier Club competition. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary on this final tonight by Stuart Robson. It is Manchester City facing Real Madrid.
Well, Derek, it doesn't come any better than this, does it? This has the makings of an absolute classic. These are two brilliant teams, and at the moment, I can't separate them.
And a look at the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson stands between the posts. Manuel Akanji plays with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And handed the task of playing up front is Erling Haaland. And here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is the keeper of choice. Luka Modric plays with Toni Kroos in the centre of the park. And beginning the game up front today, Karim Benzema. Real Madrid regaining possession. Good movement. Trying to really get at the opposition here, but nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Real Madrid have been awarded the free kick. Well, a good tackle. The save was a good one. Going short. And a useful cross. Well, in fact, a bit too close to the goalkeeper, and that was always going to be claimed. Bit wasteful from City. And Real's creative tendencies coming to the fore. Course. Superb block. And he's lost custody of the ball here. Takes the shot. And the keeper had the measure of it. And fired over by Kroos. Well, not the best clearance. Oh, super piece of play. And taken cleanly by the goalkeeper. Going well. Out of play, Real Madrid throw here. Vinicius Junior. Now with Benzema. And it wasn't taxing for the keeper. City have the ball again. Haaland. Haaland! Oh, in it goes! The opening goal in the UEFA Champions League final.
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so well to skip beyond the defender. It just buys him that bit of time to get his shot away. That's a really nice goal.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Benzema. Oh, they have it again. Kevin De Bruyne. Benzema. Here's Valverde. And return to Benzema. And a fine stop. Favouring the short one. Contributing to the defensive side of things, Gundogan. Corner kick delivery from Toni Kroos. Credit to them for winning back possession. Really good high press. He's managed to lose his marker.
Well, there you can see, City haven't been able to control possession.
Now, hold on, Stuart, they're in here. Well, they're going to be very cross with themselves because that was a wasted opportunity. Walker. Stones. Rodri. De Bruyne. The ball with Rodri. Regained possession. Haaland. Well, just went a bit too early. Offside. Well, half-time coming up shortly. City with the lead here. Stuart, how about your thoughts on what they've put into the game?
Well, they've worked hard and played well to be in front here, but they now need to keep their focus as we approach half-time.
Firing it towards goal. Oh, a smart stop. Now, who can he play it to? The supporters want to see him have a go. And up for grabs off the keeper. And a goal! Well, it looks easy when you can put them away like that.
Well, here it is again, and the striker does everything right. He hits it across the goalkeeper, which makes it difficult for him. And then the player coming in is alert for the rebound. What a good goal that is.
2-0 here, and the ball is moving again. Valverde. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. A chopping challenge, and the referee has got to have a big think about it. Well, it was apparently a bookable offence.
Well, no debate over that one. It's a yellow card all day long.
Manuel Akanji. On the ball, Ruben Dias. Gundogan. Able to get chance here. Kevin De Bruyne with the goal.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect, and the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
The game continues then, and it's been all City. Well, if you're wondering about added time, 2 minutes it'll be. Benzema, and he's through here. Well, without wanting to put too fine a point on it, that goes down as a tame effort, and easy for the keeper. Kroos with the corner. Not really the ideal clearance. Benzema. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. And 45 minutes separating these two sides from glory. The second half of the Champions League final begins. Determined defending. Haaland. Well, nearly shaving the crossbar with that powerful effort. Oh, goodness, what's the keeper doing? Well, it wasn't a simple save to make. Elects to go short. Setting off perhaps a little bit too much here. Grealish. Nicely timed tackle. Modric. Getting the better of his opponent. Well, defending always has to be a team effort. Good piece of covering. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Vinicius Junior. This is Kroos. Valverde. Happy to take on the shot. And offside it is. Using his physical strength to shield it. Well, he's won the ball. Might really be able to trouble them here. And what a magical save it was! A change in the offing for City. Taken short. And cuts inside. And closed down straight away. They favoured a short one here. Textbook defending inside the box. Karim Benzema. Well, the counter chance looks very real. And it looked like open road for them, but up a dead end.
Well, City, as the stats highlight, have had most of the ball. And that's been because of their ability to win the ball back so quickly. Their pressing has been excellent, and they just haven't stopped working. It's been a fantastic performance up to now.
Federico Valverde. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Now, who can he play it to? Mahrez. Haaland. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. And Manchester City will go to their bench. Valverde. Progress has been made by Luka Modric. That's a foul, and it will be a potentially dangerous free kick. He'll have a go here. Well, I think he'll be a bit cross with himself based on that free kick. Not the execution he was looking for. A quarter of an hour remaining here. Regained possession. Well, a foul, but the advantage with Real Madrid. Well, a failure to keep the ball by Manchester City. Real Madrid have been awarded the free kick. Well, the referee deciding that it didn't warrant a yellow card being handed out. And time for the change now. Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? He takes aim. Not a complicated save for Ederson to make. Haaland. Now can they counter clinically? And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Modric is with Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Well, 5 minutes remaining, but you just feel this is over already. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Walker. Out of play for a Manchester City throw-in. Benzema. Vinicius Junior. Deciding to go inside. Oh, a vital interception. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. So 3 minutes of stoppage time coming up. From a long way out. Well, he would have been disappointed had he spilled that one. Modric. Now with Benzema. And there it is! Full-time! Manchester City, Champions League winners!
Well, just look at the emotions out there. Joy and relief on one side, despair and heartache on the other. But we've got the right winners here. They fully deserved it on the night.
For these players, well, it's the night of their lives. And they're determined to enjoy every millisecond.
Well, they have to make the most of this, don't they? It's a great feat. What an achievement from them.
Well, they don't need to be reminded about what comes next. It's the presentation of the coveted Champions League trophy.
Well, there's some tired players out there, but what you can be sure of, they'll find some energy when they get their hands on the trophy. They'll be going mad in the next few moments.
The Champions League winners, Manchester City.
Well, this is what they wanted. What a moment for these players. They've worked so hard to win this trophy. They've been fantastic.
And you can feel the emotion. It's natural to reflect on this final, but so much hard work has gone into the entire campaign. Memories, memories. What would a celebration be without the chance to enjoy it with your own supporters?
Well, these fans have certainly played their part, haven't they? They'll savour these moments. They've travelled far and wide to follow their team. They're loving every minute of this, and why not? They deserve it.
A performance of fire as well as ice. They held their nerve when that was necessary. And these celebrations will run long into the night.
Well, these are the moments they have to make the most of. It doesn't happen very often, does it? These will be photos to cherish for years to come. Brilliant stuff.
The Champions League victors, Manchester City. And now the Champions League final commences.